Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Alright guys, just got done assembling this, seems to be a 5-piece set. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, right? So you have this 2-person love seat, and you've got 2 individual armless chairs, and then 1 table in the middle. But overall, this is a pretty good, nice set for a small kind of patio, sort of like this right here. It doesn't take up too much space, but the assembly wasn't very bad at all. If you are accustomed to, see my face, assembling furniture, then this really shouldn't be too bad. It does come with some Allen keys for you to tighten. You don't need any screwdrivers or anything like that. It comes with an Allen key. However, if you're comfortable also using a drill, you have a drill bit set with a hex bit, then you can use that, which is exactly what I used. But overall, it took me about, I want to say, 45 minutes. You can expect someone who doesn't have experience doing this to maybe take maybe an hour and a half, maybe a couple hours, maybe even more. It really does depend on your skill set. But overall, it was pretty straightforward. The instruction manual is actually pretty good. Actually, let me show you that. So it comes with 3 different instruction manuals. Okay, here's the instruction manual for the table. Here is the instruction manual for the 2 armless chairs, and here are the 2. Here's the instruction manual for the love seat that you can kind of put together. So they're actually 2 individual corner chairs. And the cool thing about the instruction manual is that they come with really clear pictures, as you can see here, right? And it tells you what you need for each step. So you can see here it says part C. You need 3 of these, so it lets you know exactly what you need. And then also, it also comes with some words that kind of help guide you through, right? So for each step, it's pretty clear, pretty drawn out. You have words there exactly to kind of complement the picture illustrations, and it's like that for all of them. Now, in terms of the hardware parts, here are the hardware part bags here. They were all individually organized. So you can see part CC, you can see B, and DD. I'm assuming that one of these is DD. So here's the Allen key that it comes with in case you don't have any tools, but everything is individually organized and packaged. And another cool thing about this is they come with levelers on the bottom, right? So you can see this is a stone kind of patio set here, so by nature it's not going to be even. So you can see here this is a little bit more raised than this. So they have levelers on the bottom so that you can make sure that everything is level and set for when you want to do it. Lastly, I would say that it does come with the cushions as well. So these are just the cushions. The cushion covers are inside. Brought out the cushion covers, so you sort of how to see everything looks with the, because it's like a navy blue type color. So one thing to note, when they send you the cushion covers look significantly smaller than the actual cushions. But as you can see, these are very kind of plush, and that's because the cushion covers, like I said, are not exactly symmetrical to the actual cushions. So that's why they're so like kind of plump, and yeah, it's actually pretty plush. Right, so I think I like this even more because if I sit down in it, it's actually pretty cushy, right? So this particular color, I guess, is navy blue. They may come in other different colors. So yeah, overall, I think it's a nice set.